In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on charts in MetaTrader 5. This is a simple but very useful feature that can help you mark important levels, add notes to your analysis, or leave reminders for yourself directly on the chart. Let's start from your main MetaTrader 5 chart window. Make sure you have the chart open where you want to place your text. You can do this on any symbol and any time frame, so just choose the chart you're working with. At the top of the platform, you'll see a toolbar with different drawing tools and icons. Look for the icon that looks like a capital T. This T icon represents the text tool. If you don't see it right away, it's usually grouped with other drawing tools like lines, channels, or shapes. Move your mouse along the toolbar slowly until you find the T sign. Once you locate the T icon, click on it once to activate the text tool. You'll notice that your cursor changes when you move your mouse over the chart. This means you're now ready to place text. Now move your cursor to the exact spot on the chart where you want your text to appear. This could be near a support or resistance level, next to a candlestick pattern, or anywhere you want to leave a note. When you've found the right place, click once on the chart. This will open a small text input box or a properties window, depending on your platform settings. In the text field that appears, simply type in the text you want to add. This could be something like support zone, news release, or any reminder that helps your analysis. Take a moment to be clear and specific with your wording, so it's useful when you come back to the chart later. After you've typed your text, confirm it by clicking OK or pressing Enter, depending on how the dialog is set up. Your text will now appear directly on the chart at the point you clicked. If you need to adjust it, you can usually click on the text to select it and then drag it to a new position. You can also open its properties again to change the font, size, color, or even add a background if you want it to stand out more. That's all there is to it. By using the T icon and typing in your notes, you can keep your chart analysis organized and much easier to understand when you review it later.